Are you a real estate agent struggling to make an impact on social media? Look no further, because on this video, I'm gonna share with you the top strategies and insider tips to take your social media game from average to extraordinary. Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is John Lahey and I have been in the real estate business for almost 2 decades. Through trial and error, I have discovered the keys to unlocking success on social media for real estate professionals. And now I am here to share them all with you. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll share with you the most important thing in regards to social media and success in real estate. I remember when I started using social media to boost my real estate business, there was this one property that had been on the market for over a year with another realtor. The homeowner wasn't happy because the agent couldn't sell the home. The homeowner's daughter called me. Long story short, we sold it in a matter of days at his asking price. That was awesome, but if that's all it was, the story would have been forgotten once the excitement dies down. I took that story of how our team successfully took a home that couldn't sell and sold it, and I blasted it all over social media. Within days, I received a message from 2 old friends of mine that I hadn't seen in years. Both needed to sell their home, and my social media post caught their attention because their agent also couldn't sell their home. This just goes to show how powerful social media can be. It's not just a tool for sharing cat videos or memes. It can significantly increase your brand visibility and generate leads for your real estate business. But before you start posting, you need to understand your target audience. Are they young? Are they young home buyers, retirees looking for a vacation home, or investors? Knowing this will help you choose the right platforms and craft the right message. Building a strong online presence is key. Make sure your social media profiles are professionals and engaging. Use high quality visuals and make sure your unique brand identity shines through. Content is king. Showcase listings, share market updates, provide helpful tips for home buyers. In my personal case, I use social media to tell stories of how our team helps homeowners and home buyers. I share photos of the home, the client, and stories of how we solve their situation. And I also share data, how much money the buyers save, or how much more money the sellers got for their home using our VIP systems. The more valuable and relevant your content, the more it will attract potential buyers and sellers. And don't forget to engage with your audience, respond to comments, share their posts, even slide into their DMs. This is how you build relationships and establish trust. Consider collaborating with local influencers. Their endorsements can give you credibility and help you reach a wider audience. I remember the first time I partnered with a well-known local athlete, Chris Cooley, tight end for the Washington Redskins. He spoke about me on his morning radio show. Within minutes of his endorsement on the air, my phone started ringing from local homeowners who wanted to talk to me about selling their home. Another thing you should do is encourage your clients to share their experiences with your services or properties. You can then showcase these testimonials on your page. Finally, it's important to be consistent. You can't post one story and expect it to just take off from there. Be consistent, whether that's once a week or once a day. The more you show up, the more they remember you. As Brian Buffini always says, top of mind awareness. And here's the last tip: be real. Don't just share real estate posts all the time. Mix it up with other topics that you're passionate about. People want to do business with people that reminds them of themselves. So if you're into hiking, share that. If you're a foodie, share that. If you're into traveling or yoga or working out or your kids, share that. The more you show up as your true authentic self, the more powerful your real estate posts will become and the more responses you will get. And that's it, a comprehensive guide to leveraging social media for your real estate business. I hope this has been helpful, and I can't wait to see how you implement these strategies. Remember, every post is an opportunity to connect with potential clients and grow your business. So start posting today. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the real estate industry. Until next time.